Hello sir, I am here from TuFee app. In this app, we will learn about how to mark teacher attendance. Okay, let's start. Open the dashboard of the app, and click on the staff attendance icon. Here, the app will show your teacher list. Staff attendance view is the same as student attendance. But here are some changes in staff attendance. If your teacher works on an hourly basis, then must add hours and rate. The app will show the default rate on the teacher's card. The first option is paid leave. The second option is a half day. The third option is absent. And the last option is present. When you click on these options, app will set attendance day final pay salary. This will help you when you add teachers' salaries, and this will show in the attendance report also. You can add deduction amount and bonus amount also if available. After changing any data, must click on attendance status. Like I am first marking attendance and then change data, then this will not be stored in the database. When you make a change in data, must click on attendance status. Here I am showing you. So, this is all about teacher attendance. We have learned how to mark teacher attendance here. Thank you for watching this video. Good day, good morning, good night. Whenever you are watching this video.